You get a call or message from someone who says they're a computer technician, or a number appears in a pop-up message on your screen, or maybe you're looking for tech support and call a number you find in a search engine. The person on the phone says they're from a well-known company like Microsoft or Apple, and they tell you about viruses or other malware on your computer. Maybe they'll ask you for remote access to your computer or say you must buy new software to fix it. But are they someone you can trust? Judging by reports to the Federal Trade Commission, no. Tech support scammers will try to sell you useless services, steal your credit card number, or get access to your computer to install malware, which could then let them see everything on your computer, including your account passwords. Here's what to do. Hang up. If you get an unexpected call from someone saying there's a problem with the computer, hang up. That's always a scam. And if you need tech help, go to someone you know and trust and call them on a number you know to be true. The ones that show up in your search engine are not always legit. And then pass this information on to a friend. You might know these are scammers, but chances are you have a friend who does not know. Now, the best way to protect yourself from fraudsters is to keep them from ringing your phone in the first place. See the link in the video description to download my free guide to protecting yourself from the criminals, so you can stay connected, but stay connected safely. Want to know more? To receive updates like this via email, sign up for consumer alerts at ftc.gov/consumer alerts. And for more video tips like this one, check out the Clipperton Tech YouTube channel. Thank you.